Welcome to Life Quiz 370. When we think of deadly animals, our minds often go to fierce predators like lions, sharks, or bears. But did you know the most dangerous animals on Earth might not be the ones you expect? Today, we're counting down the creatures responsible for the most human deaths every year. The results may surprise you. At number 1 on our list is not a large predator, but one of the smallest creatures on Earth, the mosquito. These tiny insects are responsible for more deaths than any other animal in the world. Mosquitoes are vectors for diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. According to the World Health Organization, mosquitoes are responsible for over 725,000 deaths each year. Most of these deaths are due to malaria, a disease that is especially prevalent in Africa and parts of Southeast Asia. While efforts to combat malaria have been successful in reducing the number of cases, mosquitoes remain a deadly threat. Surprisingly, the second deadliest animal to humans is, well, humans. Homicides and acts of violence result in approximately 475,000 deaths each year. Human conflict, war, and interpersonal violence continue to be one of the biggest threats to human life. While this isn't caused by nature, it serves as a reminder that our species can be its own worst enemy. Next on our list are snakes. Responsible for 50,000 to 100,000 deaths annually, venomous snakes pose a significant threat in rural areas, particularly in South Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. Most of these deaths are the result of snake bites, with species like the Indian cobra, saw-scaled viper, yaw, and black mamba being particularly dangerous. In many cases, victims lack access to timely medical care or antivenom, making these bites fatal. Efforts are ongoing to improve treatment and education in affected regions. Man's best friend can also be a dangerous one. Dogs are responsible for around 25,000 to 35,000 deaths per year, mostly due to rabies. Rabies is a viral disease transmitted through dog bites, and without proper vaccination, it is almost always fatal. Rabies is especially prevalent in parts of Asia and Africa, where stray dogs are common and access to vaccines is limited. Public health initiatives aim to vaccinate dogs and reduce the spread of this deadly disease. The tsetse fly, native to sub-Saharan Africa, is responsible for around 10,000 deaths per year. This insect transmits a parasite that causes African sleeping sickness, or trypanosomiasis. The disease can be fatal if left untreated, causing neurological damage and, eventually, death efforts. To control tsetse fly populations and treat infected individuals have made progress, but this tiny fly continues to be a deadly menace. Assassin bugs, also known as kissing bugs, transmit Chagas disease, which affects around 8,000 people annually. These bugs are found in Central and South America, and their bite can lead to serious heart and digestive system complications. Chagas disease often goes undiagnosed for years, making it a silent killer. While efforts to control these insects are ongoing, they remain a significant public health concern in the Americas. Another surprising addition to our list is the freshwater snail. These seemingly harmless creatures carry a parasitic worm that causes schistosomiasis, a disease that affects millions of people in tropical and subtropical regions. Around 20,000 people die from schistosomiasis each year. Schistosomiasis can cause damage to the liver, intestines, lungs, and bladder, and efforts to control the disease focus on improving water sanitation and providing medical treatment. Now we move on to the larger animals. Crocodiles are responsible for around 1,000 deaths each year, particularly in Africa and Southeast Asia. Their powerful jaws and ambush tactics make them deadly predators. Elephants and hippos, while herbivores, can be incredibly dangerous when provoked. Elephants are responsible for around 500 deaths per year, while hippos, despite their seemingly calm appearance, are also responsible for around 500 deaths annually, mostly due to their territorial nature. As we've seen today, the most dangerous animals to humans aren't always the ones we expect. From the tiniest mosquitoes to the largest land mammals, nature can be both fascinating and deadly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Life Quiz 370, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more amazing content on the natural world.